Hi guys, today my brother and I are going to Rantau Parapat to visit my dad. These are the things we're bringing, and we're waiting for the travel car to arrive. It's 8 p.m. now and we're already on the road. I'm snacking on sausage and cookies. Finally, we arrived at my dad's house at 5 in the morning. We couldn't stay too long. After breakfast, we had to continue our trip to Samosir Island. It's around 8 p.m. now and we're on the way to the harbor. The trip from Rantau Parapat to the harbor takes about 4 hours. On the way, I saw a river and passed by the tall hills. We stopped by the roadside to rest. I looked back in the hill we had passed earlier. It was really steep and the view was beautiful. Continued the trip and finally arrived in the harbor area. We're lining up to buy ferry ticket. As you can see, the line is super long. Finally, after almost 2 hours of waiting, we got our ticket at the counter. After getting the tickets, we waited while enjoying to the cool breeze and the beauty of Lake Toba. Finally, the ferry arrived and we're boarding now. The ferry started moving to cross Lake Toba. While crossing, a lot of local kids swam behind the boat, collecting coins thrown by passengers from above. It was such unique experience. They're amazing swimmer. I also saw another ferry crossing by, and the passengers waved at us. Of course, we waved back. After about an hour, we finally arrived at Samosir Island and headed to our hotel. Once we got there, I unpacked my stuff and rested for a bit. I went outside to enjoy the sunset. Our hotel was right by Lake Toba, and the view was just stunning. Then I decided to head back to my room and rest. This morning, I went straight to the playground at the hotel. My brother and I sat on the swings there. Then my dad called off for breaking and told us to get ready for the next trip. We're now on our way to Tomok Market. We've arrived at Tomok Market and bought some food and souvenir for the family. Next, we continued to our trip to Sibea Hills. I saw a lot of tall trees and the air was so fresh. There's also the tallest Jesus statue in Indonesia here. We finally back to the hotel and rested. The next morning, I sat by the lake with my brother to enjoy the sunrise while taking some photos. I also ate instant noodles and snack while chatting with him. At night, we had dinner and after that we played a traditional game that's similar to billiards, but with a smaller table. After playing, we went straight to bed. The next morning, I woke up really early just to catch the sunrise. The view was breathtaking. After that, we had breakfast at the hotel restaurant and got ready to head to the harbor to go back to Rantau Parapat. We're at the harbor now, preparing to cross Lake Toba and leave Samosir Island. On the way, we stopped at roadside stall. Behind it, there was waterfall and small hut where we could sit and relax. At the hut, I saw a super cute cat. We continued the journey and finally got home in the afternoon. We unpacked our stuff and went to sleep. This morning, we had breakfast together while chatting, and then planned to go to the river afterward. We finally went to Mata Kucing River and played in the water. I built a stone tower with my brother. After the river, we went to my house to pick up an unkept bonsai plant and move into my dad's house. Before heading back home, we stopped by a cafe and ordered some drinks and snacks. Suddenly, Dad took me to an electronics store and bought me a laptop for college. I was so happy and grateful. Finally, we got home and replanted the bonsai we had picked up earlier. Then we rest, because tomorrow I have to go back to the Pekanbaru. Long story short, I left for Pekanbaru and arrived in the afternoon. And that's how my holiday went. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you.